Welcome back. What started as a single tweet has become an international movement when a surgeon with UW Health tweeted a photo replicating a cover of New Yorker magazine. It included a challenge. The hashtag I look like a surgeon has been answered by thousands of female surgeons all around the world. In a story you'll only see on News 3, Dave Delosier has the story of that one photo that has turned into a movement.
Behind the surgical gloves and mask, more and more women are the ones saving lives as surgeons.
The patient puts the entire trust in you when they go to sleep, and they trust you to do the right thing.
Dr. Susan Pitt is a general surgeon at UW Health on a staff where more than half the surgeons are women. And maybe that's why when on April 3rd, the issue of New Yorker came out, it caught her eye.
I think the moment I saw the cover, I was like, this is absolutely amazing.
The image, from a patient's perspective, of 4 female surgeons was something she wanted to share. So she and 3 other female surgeons replicated the image in a photograph. And when they shared it on Twitter, well, you can guess the rest.
Then really it took off, and so I put on there, I challenge all of these people to do it.
Hashtag I look like a surgeon went from a few friends to a few million people around the world.
And then the first international response came from Saudi Arabia.
From Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, Kuwait, Ireland, and on and on. A sisterhood was born.
And so I think it's sort of us, acknowledging a sisterhood that otherwise was silent, but at the same time, showing the rest of the world that here we are, and things, might seem somewhat equal, but they absolutely are not.
In each of the photos, the faces are a reminder that gender equity too often is not.
We make about 60 cents on the dollar compared to the average male surgeon, which over the course of my career will amount to a few $1,000,000.
With each new photo comes a story. Some are of the here and now. Others speak to a future they hope will be different for the next generation.
This is a lot of surgeons around the world saying, I see you, and, we all have the same issues.
Surgeons in whom patients place trust that they will do the right thing. Surgeons who have hope that those who make decisions about gender equity will do the same.
But what I've loved is that what started as wanting to share a photo, that was, something I thought was cool, became something that's a movement.
At UW Hospital, this is Dave Delosier, WISC News 3.
Gender equity has a long way to go when it comes to many fields, but at UW Health, a lot of progress has been made. Not only are more than half the general surgeons on staff women, they also make up a significant portion of leadership there.